Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, we picked up another little radio control helicopter. This one's called Black Ant. We'll unbox it, show you how to fly it. All right, here we are, Black Ant. Let's open this little guy up and see just what we can do with it. There's your instructions in Chinese. There it is in English, okay. All right. Here is your helicopter. Looks like one of my spare wings, I guess. Okay. Spare rudders. Yeah, might need those. There's the transmitter. I can get it out of there. Back on there. Okay, there's your transmitter. It charges. See if it tells us how long it takes to charge it here. Battery precautions. USB cable is not a model. Doesn't say, but we'll look some more and find out later, okay? We're going to charge this little guy up and we'll get him flying and see just how he does, okay? Okay, it says it takes 3 AAA batteries for the transmitter. Remember, spring goes to the negative. Sure you get them in the right way because it won't work if you don't. Okay. Power. Let's see what this little guy can do here. See if there's any power in this little guy. There's an on-off switch right there on the bottom, okay? Flick that on. See him? Turn the power on. Yeah, he's got some power, all right. Whoop. We'll get him down the floor and do a little driving on and see how he flies, okay? See what this little guy will do here. Whoop! See what we can do here. I'm not very good at landing him, am I? Now this little guy only has speed forward and back and control left and right. So let's see what we can do here. I haven't really figured out how to control him yet. You only have left and right. Like I said, I haven't figured out how to drive him yet. I can get him up in the air, but you don't know where to go. Landed him on the stove, okay. Looks like you just point him in the direction you want him to go with the right stick, and then he goes that way. See how I turn him to the left and he goes, turn to the right and he goes forward? That's the way it looks to me. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. You got a lot more of these. Go check out the playlist. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Also, check out the description below. I have links to Amazon where you can find a lot of these. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you next time.